Hi, my name is Daisy Raju. Welcome to PDF to EPUB Essential Training. This video series shows how to convert a .pdf to .epub files with step by step. Means which softwares we have to use, how to extract the data from PDF, how to code it, which editor we have to use for coding, how to build an EPUB file, how to validate it, and so many. First, we have to know what is EPUB. EPUB is the electronic format of our printed books. So most of the EPUBs are books. Every book has its own format, but most of the books like student books, novels, and so many books have some type of fixed format. That format is like this, like this. Okay, it has a front cover. After that, it has maybe off title or copyright or dedication. After that, it may have contents. After that, FM. FM means front matter. It may have preface, about the other, acknowledgement, like that. These type of preface, acknowledgement, about the other, these type of information is called front matter. Okay. After the front matter, our real chapters are our parts. What is the part? Part is a container of multiple chapters. Okay. After parts or chapter, it has back matter. BM means back matter. Back matter means references, glossary, index, like that. After that, it has back cover. Okay. Now we are converting this type of PDF to EPUB file. First, look at our sample file. This is our sample file. It has like this is front cover. After that, half title. After that, this is title page. What is the difference between title and half title page is half title page has only title information only, but title page has title information, author information, and publisher information. Okay. After that, it has copyright, which year it was copyrighted, who was copyrighted this book, like this type of information. After that, front matters, preface, about the other, acknowledgement, like that. It has forward, acknowledgement. Okay. After that, contents. After that, it has a part. Inside a part, see, look at the context. In part 1, it has 2 chapters. Part 2, it has 2 chapters. Like that, a part is a container of multiple chapters. Okay. Like that, this is our part information. After that, chapter started. In the chapters, it has sections, normal paragraphs, footnotes, maybe tables, maybe figures, like that type of information. At the end of the book, actually I have taken a sample PDF, that's why it does not have any back matter like index, glossary, and back matter. Okay. End of the chapter, we will insert this thing as a back cover. Okay. Now, which softwares we are using to convert PDF to EPUB file? See this. I have divided these I have divided the total process of PDF to EPUB into 9 parts. Before that, we have to know which softwares we have to use. First, Abhi Find Reader. This is used for extracting the data from PDF to text format. After that, Microsoft Office, in that particularly MS Word. Okay, this is used for a regular expression to replace bolds, italics, em dash, and dash, like that of characters. After that, Logaru Epsilon. It may be any version. This is for coding our EPUB file. After that, Adobe Photoshop. This is used for cropping the images like cover page, back cover, inside PDF. Our PDF may have some images, na? That type of images we are using Adobe Photoshop to crop it. Okay. Yeah, this is the our 9 steps to convert our PDF to EPUB file. First thing, Abhi Find Reader installation, settings. After that, Epsilon installation. After that, HTML coding in Epsilon. After that, CSS coding based on the PDF. After that, image cropping in Photoshop. After that, browser comparison with PDF. We have to compare the our HTML file with PDF. It, it, it is same, look like the same or not. After that, OPF and NCX creation. We may let after we will discuss. We will discuss end of the lessons. We will discuss about OPF and NCX at end of the course. Okay. After that, EPUB build validation. After that, EPUB checking in ADE, mobile or iPad. Okay. Okay. Can we start with Abhi Find Reader installer? Let's start now.